everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a rose quartz nail using iLac. So first of all I'm going to decant some colours onto the foil, and I'm going to be using I1 and I54. So I'm going to be using the brush side of the vice versa brush, and I'm going to pick up, I think it's I1 first, and I'm just going to do some diagonal lines. So I'm going in with I1 first, and then I'm going to go in with I54 at the side of it. Now if you were doing this on a natural nail, you will need to put your base coat on first, curing that, and then go in with your design. But because this is on an acrylic nail, you can just go straight in with your iLac. So I'm just going to keep going with the lines, trying to blend the colours together a little bit to get that nice marbled rose quartz effect. So once you're happy with the design and it's been cured, we're going to pat some of the beautiful Corah pigment into that tacky layer. Just going to do it randomly over the nail. We're then going to cap this nail in I93, which gives it a lovely cloudy effect, because if you look at a rose quartz stone, it is like a cloudy marble effect. So I'm going in with a second coat of that, curing these for 30 seconds in between. And then we're going to top coat that with rock top coat, curing that for 30 seconds. And then when that comes out the lamp, we're going to give it a wipe with some cleaner, and then that's your beautiful design done. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!